That is a start for under 19 years girls, 400-meter hurdles. Participants 475, 471, 879, 894, 1275, 1272, 1012, 998. Under 17 years girls, long jump, result, attention please. Long jump under 17 years girls, first position goes to Nandini Chhabra from Hooghly district. Second position goes to Priyanka Bishwas from Nadia district. Third position goes to Afia Khatun from Coach Bihar district. Gold medal winner Nandini Chhabra from Hooghly district. Silver medal winner Priyanka Bishwas from Nadia district. Bronze medal winner Afia Khatun from Coach Bihar district. Congratulations to all medal winners.
এক 10, এক 11, এক 17।